Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Spark job outputs with Databricks job run comparison. To verify Spark job outputs using Databricks job run comparisons, begin by logging into your Databricks workspace. Navigate to the Jobs section from the sidebar. Locate the job you want to compare outputs for and click on it. In the Job Details page, click on the Run History tab to see previous runs of the job. Select the first run you wish to compare and click on it to view its details. Note the output location of the job, typically stored in a designated cloud storage path. Open another tab and repeat the process for the second job run you want to compare. Access the run history of the second job run and select it. Again, note the output location for this run. Now, open a new notebook in Databricks to facilitate the comparison. Start by loading the output data from the first job run using the appropriate Spark read command. Once loaded, cache the data to improve performance during comparisons. Next, load the output data from the second job run using a similar Spark read command. Proceed to cache this dataset as well. Now that both datasets are loaded and cached, use the accept method to find discrepancies between the two datasets. Inspect the results of the accept operation. This will reveal any rows present in the first job output that are not found in the second. Next, perform the operation in reverse using the second dataset. Again, inspect the results to see if there are any discrepancies in the opposite direction. If both comparisons yield empty results, the outputs are likely identical. For further validation, consider using additional checks, such as counting rows in both datasets. Compare counts to ensure both outputs have the same number of records. Finally, if discrepancies exist, analyze the differing rows carefully to understand the differences. This step-by-step process will help ensure accurate verification of Spark job outputs in Databricks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.